Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. Guess what? It's time for another haul. Let's get into it. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So this is another session of Break Time with Joy. So instead of doing a DIY, I decided to upload some footage of a Temu haul that I forgot to upload to the channel on January the 2nd of this year. But you know what, guys? It's not too late. So get your beverage, your healthy snack, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I'm praying that 2025 brings you everything that your heart desires. And I pray that God continues to be good to you, and me. So, I have another haul, and I know you guys are like, what, Joy? Hey, it's a new year. Joy's got to get into it. And as I told you in the last haul video, I am bringing you a Temu haul. And these are some items that I've been actually holding on to, because I promised myself in 2024 that I was not going to bring you another haul video, and so I intentionally did not open this bag until today. And I wanted to open it so that I can show you the items that I've purchased from Temu. Now, some of these I know is probably Christmas items, others are not, but that's okay. If I can't use it, I can always gift it to someone. That's the way I look at it. These items are so inexpensive that, yeah. So let's get right into this haul. I'm so excited about it. Some of these things is going to be like Christmas to me because I've actually forgot what they were. And so seeing them, I'm like, oh, okay. So you get it. You don't do something, open something right quick, and it already, you forget stuff when you order from Temu, because it takes 2 weeks for it to get over here. 2 weeks or longer. But that's okay. That's all right. We're going to shake it off and shake it off. And again, this is a mixture of items, clothing, crafting, and maybe just clothing and crafting. That's it. So I'm going to sit that right there. I'm going to have to get it up, and I'm going to have to do something with these hands. So let's get right into it. This will not be a long video, I can promise you, because I don't have that many items in this. And I probably won't be bringing you another haul video until maybe around end of February or March. It just depends on when I go through my stash and start organizing my downstairs area, organizing my shed, not my shed, my storage unit, to see exactly how much of items that I have. Because if you will remember in one of the videos that I shared, I said that I was going to start selling kits of some of the items that I've created on the channel. I've had people on YouTube, some of my subbies, as well as people that are subby but know me personally, those that go to church with my mom, and those that know members of my family that see stuff that I have given to them, and they want to recreate it, and they're like, hey, if she got it, tell her we will buy the items straight from her and support her that way, and recreate the projects that she's created on her channel, which was one of the things that sparked the idea. I have so much of overflow of items that I can, sell these as kits, make a little bit of extra money for the business of, the grand scheme of things, of where I'm trying to take Joyful Designs for 2025 and beyond. So I'm like, what better way to, one, get rid of some of the items that I have, and two, be able to make a profit off of them, than to resell or sell these items to you. So let's get started into this haul. The first thing that I have purchased were these little wood rounds. These are the wood slices, I should say. And I think, how many come in here? I think I want to say about 50, between 30 and 50, I think. I forget. I'm trying to see if they says on here how many actually came in here. 30 pieces. And these are 5 centimeters, 30 pieces of these, and then it has the jute twine. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is right there. Or the baker's twine, I should call it. So that's that. And then I have these cute little ribbons or bows. And these are bows that you can use all year long. Even though the gingham prints are used more in the Christmas season, you still can use them year round on your projects. And so I will be making use of these this year, because you guys know I love a good bow. And then these buttons, these little Christmas buttons. And as you can see, I did not use these this year. I just did not get to the projects that I had planned out for health reasons. And then I bought some of those brushes, these little paint brushes. And then I bought some dabbers. How many come in here? 20 dabbers. So that is, no, one more crafting item. And then I wanted to try this mini iron. I was just reading what it was saying, the warnings and stuff. But I bought this little mini iron. Let's take it out, guys. And I will be, and I know I haven't done this yet, but I will be testing these items, this item, along with some of the other items that I have purchased. But it comes with the cord, and you just stick it in there and plug it up, and boom, yeah, there you have it. So look at it. This is all white. I think it's cute. It's so tiny. So we're going to try that out. And I have some videos coming for you guys. Because if you remember these items, I still have yet to upload the video wherein I will be testing these items. If you remember these, I will be testing these items. So I'm going to sit this little mini iron right on over here to be tested as well. That's going to be fun. And I will let you know how all of these things work. I surely will. And let's see what else I have. So those were the crafting items from Temu. And then I have some shirts here. And I had a bunch of Temu credits, so I just basically saved up and applied my credits to these shirts. And like I told you, I like wearing these because I'm not back at work yet. So these are just some shirts that I can wear around. They're comfortable. Your little ray of sarcastic sunshine has arrived. Believe it or not, y'all, there's another side to joy. People tell me all the time that I have a bit of sarcasm about myself. I don't believe them. I'm a comedic person. I love comedy. They confuse that with sarcasm. I'm not sarcastic. I'm sweet. I'm joy. I bring you light. I'm trying not to touch my face because you know I have that all this stuff from all these different places on my hands. Let's see. And I'm sure this is, I bought the shirt in the same size as this shirt, and it's loose, it feels good, it's comfortable, it's soft, even after washing it. And this shirt has been washed twice. I've worn it twice. I worn it once, then my husband washed. Now I'm wearing it again, and it's still really, except around this little area. I don't know if that's some oil or something from the cream I have to use that got on there. Oh, it might be the shadow. Y'all, it's the shadow of the Ring camera. But, yeah. Other than that, and this one says, I've got a good heart, but this mouth. Now, Uncle T will agree with you. I've got a good heart, but this right here, wee. I guess this would go back to the sarcastic shirt. Now this one is, let's see guys, I don't even see the size of this one. But these kind of shirts is good. I can wear them sitting and crafting. At least I'll be cute. I'm going to be out of work. Not out of work, but on leave and working an intermittent schedule until hopefully the end of February, or until I'm better, because my shoulder is still giving me problems, guys. And I think this is just a bunch of shirts, to be honest. And this one says prayer changes things, because Lord knows it does. And this one looks large, but I don't see the size, guys. I guess it's inside the shirt. Oh, no wonder it's so large looking. This is a 2XL. Probably should have just got an XL. I can give this to my sister-in-law. Or just keep it. Let's see what else I have. This one says, God is good all the time. This hurt my arm. Ooh, my shoulder hurting. You're trying to play it off, guys, but when I have to do this, my shoulder really hurts. And then for the last shirt, oh, this is supposed to be like a sweater or something. It's thin. I will say, read the print. That Temu model, don't go off them models. Don't go off them. They AI generated. Don't go off those models. They have you buying stuff, making you think one thing and it ends up being another. So guys, that is all that I have for you from the Temu collection. You saw I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts, and then these couple of craft items. And out of all of these items, which one was the first item that I showed you from today's haul? Put it in the comment section of this video. And also, that's all that I have for you. I have nothing else for you guys. I have nothing else to show right now, but trust me, I will be bringing you another haul. I just cannot guarantee if it'll be in February, March, April, May, or June. But just understand that I will be bringing you content. I may even show you the transformation process of my crafting space. I will show you what its current state look like, because I'm starting to pack stuff up, so things are everywhere. And then you will see me move these things downstairs. A lot of this stuff will be going to my storage unit, off-site storage unit, to make space, because Uncle T will be moving upstairs using my old crafting room for his studio, for his channel, Winning Solutions, the number 4 and the letter U. The Real Talk with Uncle T is the name of the channel, so make sure you are subscribed to his channel and support him. If you're looking for great content on just about anything, he's a very knowledgeable, smart, handsome, loving, caring, get you right kind of guy. He tell it like it is, and I'm pretty sure there's something on his channel that will benefit you, from business to religion and just to self-help. So make sure you showing your support to my guy, my favorite man, outside of Jesus Christ, Lord and Savior himself, is Uncle T. So again, his channel is The Real Solutions with Uncle T, and his channel is at Winning Solutions, the number 4 and the letter U. So go ahead and head on over there if you have yet to do so. Subscribe. Tell him his beautiful wife Joy told you to come over there and subscribe. That's a bonus. But other than that, guys, I pray that you all have a blessed new year, and I look forward to bringing you some quality content. And I'm just deciding on what direction I want to take the channel, outside of within the crafting arena, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, that's all that I have for you. I pray God's choice blessing over you, and until the next DIY video, collaboration video, or my Joy to the World vlog, I will be back in touch soon. Until then, bye for now.